Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fans here. So in previous video we have talked about this ROM review, and in this video we will talk about only the gaming. So only game that I have here is the BGMI. So a lot of people ask like whether it is supporting 90 FPS option. So for to support that, we have multiple settings in the Infinity X 2.7. If you don't know, like we have made a video on installing the Infinity X 2.7, and the kernel here we have is the 4.19.235. So in the miscellaneous you have the option to you have the spoofing option where you can spoof it to unlock the higher FPS and other things. And if you go to settings and system, you have the option for the game bar. So this is one of the good thing, like you can enable the game bar overlay. So if I enable this, you can overlay the FPS. So here it is currently showing this FPS, what is happening, and CPU usage and temperature, so RAM usage. So this is really great. Like if you want to check like exactly what is happening in the background, you can check it. So GPU wise the details are not coming. So as of now I will just keep these four things enabled so that I can check like how much FPS is actually happening. So I have closed all the apps and things. Now I'll open the BGMI. So as of now it is going like 2 FPS, 3 FPS. So this is just what, to save the battery or something, I don't know. So you can see it is going almost to 41, 42 FPS. So here also you have the game bar where you can enable the performance mode, and then you have the recording, a screen recording option. So these are and all you can do. So now I'm in the home screen. So I'll go to setting and I will check like what is the graphic option we have. So this particular thing currently is supporting balanced, so there is no HD. So HD balanced, and then you have in the smooth you have the ultra extreme. So in the smooth you have the ultra extreme, and in the balanced you have the high setting. So these two options are now showing. So yeah, in the lobby also I'll set high and home. Okay, efficiency. Okay, so I have set this in realistic. As of now this temperature is 39.5, which is not that bad. So the FPS is almost going like 89, 64, which is like based on the performance in the background it is happening, it is going, it is not like locked 90 FPS. So yeah, and having this overlay, game overlay or something is really helpful. So we are almost getting around almost 40-60 FPS. So max it is going almost around 90 FPS. So now here you see this is like now 89 FPS, and RAM is currently being used for 2.8, and the temperature is 40 degree, and the CPU is 37% has been used. So yeah, now I'll jump. So when jumping also this FPS is almost staying consistently around 90, so which is great, not bad. It is like maintaining above 70, so I like it. Okay, it's buttery smooth. Let me just check changing the settings to the balanced. HD is not there, so balanced high I will set. So balanced high will give you around 30 FPS, which is a little bit choppy. Okay, I would prefer using the lower setting with the higher FPS. Stability wise I almost playing for what, 5 minutes now.
I need a weapon.
This temperature is still 41%. It's not that bad. So the RAM now has reached 3 GB mark. The FPS is almost staying at 30 FPS. Usually when a lot of people approaches us, that time it will change. So I'll just set ultra extreme. Okay, Now it is like almost above 80-85 FPS. So battery smooth. There is no house near that to take any weapon or something. This performance is almost same as Hyper OS, so there isn't much difference. So heatness also, like now it's 42 temperature, and CPU usage is almost 40 percentage. Okay, finally I got it. So now the temperature is 43 degrees Celsius, so a bit heat. So even though the people approaches this FPS is just keeping fine, so I don't think it will affect your gaming session or something. Okay, so now the temperature is almost like 43.7, and FPS is staying same. So it is approaching around like 44 degree. CPU usage is 46, and the RAM is almost above 3 GB. So now I have reached this above 13-14 minutes this one, so I don't think this is having any issue handling the game in low setting with 90 FPS, and normal high setting also it is having a little bit choppiness. So gaming wise this is not as bad as you think. So yeah, that's what about this gaming review. Hope you got your answers. Thanks for watching. Good luck.